Welcome to East 4x4, the most budget-oriented off-road channel in all the YouTube. And today we are going to go over changing the door lock actuators in your Excursion. They're the same from 2000 to 2005. Couple disclaimers. You're going to notice, hopefully, that my audio maybe sounds better. I've got a new mic that I'm hoping is not picking up all of the cars driving around in the background. You're going to notice that the video does not have the new mic and it also has snow on the ground because I have been procrastinating putting this video out because it is not that exciting. I am sorry if you are here for excitement. This is really hard to film because these are deep in these doors, and so hopefully my explaining will help you when you attack your own. It is very doable, take your time, but it can be frustrating and it is impossible to show because they're inside of the door. Links are going to be down below in the description for left and right. The rear door is a left side, so a driver's side. So by 3 drivers and 2 passengers. I will try and label them nicely down below for you. So let's get started. I hope this video is useful to you guys. These are not exciting, but they are definitely needed if you have one that needs to be done. So let's go. Got to start with the door card. You pull this, you pull this. Be careful with these lenses, front doors and back doors. It's really hard to find the clear ones that are in the Excursions now. Both of my rear ones have done an interesting thing where they try and remove the switch. Shouldn't do that. The switch should be in this, but it just snaps back in, so it's not a big deal. There's a little snap back here. One screw here, one screw there. I'll say this as I work on this, it's taken me, this is the 3rd door I've done to actually get decently competent enough that I can actually show you guys what I'm doing. It is not that simple. I have ended up taking the handles off of the last 2 doors, so I'm going to see if I can do this one without taking the handles off. So, okay, those 2 screws are out. He's going to pull straight up. Set this off to the side. Ta-da! Door panel. This is stuck on. Not super well. I just peel it back, stick the connector a little bit so that it stays out of my way. And then we get to do this, an attempt to do this without taking it out. We'll see. T27, the 3 bolts to hold on the outside thing. Got to pull the yellow clip on the door lock bar. Flathead screwdriver gets used a lot. I'm going to take the door handle off again because it's easier. Door handle's super easy. It's 2 7/16 bolts. Nuts. There's one in this hole. And then one where you just saw me take that plug out. I can hit it. Of course, that's the first bolt I've dropped, but now I have the door handle out. found that just pushing the bolts out is like the best way to do it. There is the door handle. And then this little piece, you can twist it just like that. There's this little clip on it. You got the whole door handle and that pin with it. Set that out of the way. Unpin both of these yellow ones. And then you should be able to finagle and come up with this. And that is the good stuff that we're after. So you want to pull to one of these little tabs here. It's a great little Christmas tree that's old as crud now. And really doesn't want to come out, but it's attached to the actuator motor, so it does have to come out. And then this is your actuator motor plug right there. And the actuator comes out the back. And there's this little tab at the bottom. And you just kind of slide it up. I've been taking off both connectors. That seemed to help, so see if we can do it again. Slide that end, slide up, boom, you have an actuator. That's I think is the issue with them, is this whole movement here. I'll go grab a new one and show you the difference. These ones have a plastic arm, which is a little bit of a bummer, but see there's no movement, hardly any movement in that. So this just goes back where you pulled the other out. They don't look quite the same, but they work just fine. So just kind of move the motor up so the pin lines up. Slide it over, and voila, it's in. Plug these back in. How to sneak this thing back over here. And do everything in reverse. Don't forget to put this little rod back in, because if you do, you're not going to have you're not going to be able to unlock the door from the little thing. See if I can't see in there. The problem with this is you can't see, so you're just feeling around and praying, hoping. I might have screwed up by putting this thing in already. Last one I think I did out. Back out it comes. And as much more exciting as it is to try and line it up when both of the things are free, it's actually easier. It is. There it is. And you can see that lock there. Let's see. Moves. Moves. Good to go. Been spraying a little bit of grease in here. Other than that, I've also been greasing the inside of the window tracks on this thing. The window tracks, the windows on this truck are really slow, and so I've been spraying my same white lithium grease in the insides of the channels. So the windows got a little bit of grease right in there essentially. So probably hasn't been done in ever. And all you gotta do is pop that door handle back in. I spray this, put the thing back on. We'll do it. I'll do it real quick for you on the video too. You can put the door card back on before you put the door handle on the outside back on. It's not really that big a deal. As I said, I realize I'm completely wrong, because you got to put the bolts in from the back, dummy. Bolts in from the back. Don't worry. I'm a professional. This in at the same time. Put it down. Put this little cover back on. A couple of bolts back in. Snap this guy back together. Done. Locked, unlocked, locked. Unlocked, locked, unlocked. Beautiful. On to the last one. Yeah, I'm sure this is going to end up in the video, but my suggestion for when you do these door actuators, do not start with the driver door. This is, the driver door is probably the most difficult. You got to pull off each of the bars on that. Plugs are really hard to get to. I don't know, I'll let you guys know as we get to the other ones, but the driver door so far has sucked. So get your confidence up before you hit the driver door, or else you're going to get pissed at it like yours truly. Thank you for watching today. If you made it this far in this video, you are a true fan. This video, like I said, it was boring. I really hesitated putting it out, but I'm going to be traveling and I needed a video out. So I appreciate you guys watching this, and I hope that it was helpful. The links are down below in the description. Just take your time and you can do it yourself. No problem. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will let you go. So Big Blue, more projects coming on it soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe.